Today we're installing GTOG8TA hood struts in a 2001 Pontiac Trans Am. The only tool you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. Start by opening your hood. If you want, you can prop your hood open to prevent it from closing. Pry on the strut with a flathead screwdriver until it pops off. Repeat for the bottom. Now take your new GTOG8TA hood strut and start by installing the bottom. Repeat for the top. Now let's go over to the other side and do the same thing. For more GTOG8TA products and install videos, please visit GTOG8TA.com.